Here I've got Nokia X71 and let me show you how to activate low power solution on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then scroll down, pick the battery, and now go to battery saver. And here you can smoothly activate it by tapping on turn on now, and now low power solution is active. Then if you would like to switch off your battery saver, click on turn off now. You can also set some rules, so smoothly click on turn on automatically. And now just select the percentage, so for example let me pick 10. And from now on, every time the battery is lower than 10%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. You can also quickly activate low power solution through the upper bar, simply slide it down, locate the battery saver icon, click on it, and that's it. Now it's active. If you'd like to switch it off, do the same thing, so smoothly click on the icon. And that would be all. This is how you can save power in your device and extend the usage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.